Not the best. I think I could do it better. The head looks like a seagull. The beak kinda looks like a pigeon's beak. I think I could do better. The head looks like a seagull. But this is my forward-facing Budgie. I am not very good when it comes to birds forward-facing. I'm not very good with forward-facing drawings. That's why most of my drawings are like mostly the bird facing backwards. Or it's this like this the rules are the rosette spoonbill. Oh no, not that one. This the rules of, if there's a bird, it is something like this, then I'm good at it. This is inspired by what it wouldn't do, by the way, and but when it comes to forward facing like this, I am not very good. I'm not the best. The goddamn feet, I think they're too tiny. And yeah. Oh well, this is my attempt on doing it, so this is my attempt.